Windows play a crucial role in your home, affecting comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Over time, even high-quality windows can wear down, reducing their effectiveness and making it more difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. For homeowners in Rowlett, recognizing the signs that it's time to replace windows can save money on energy bills, improve comfort, and enhance the overall value of your home. One of the most noticeable signs that windows need replacement is drafts or inconsistent indoor temperatures. If you feel cold air in the winter or hot air in the summer near your windows, it may indicate that the seals are worn or the glass is no longer insulating properly. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Upgrading to modern replacement windows with improved insulation can help maintain a consistent and comfortable environment year-round. Condensation or fogging between window panes is another clear sign that replacement is needed. Modern windows are often double or triple pane, with a sealed space between the panes filled with gas for insulation. When this seal fails, moisture can accumulate inside, reducing visibility and affecting energy efficiency. Foggy windows not only impact aesthetics but also indicate that the window is no longer performing its insulating function effectively. Windows that are difficult to open or close may also require replacement. Over time, frames can warp and hardware can wear out, making operation difficult or even unsafe. If you find yourself struggling to lift, slide, or lock a window, it could be a sign of structural issues that simple repairs may not fully address. Replacement windows restore smooth operation, ease of use, and security. Visible damage to window frames or sills is another indicator. Cracks, rot, or warping in wood frames, or corrosion in metal frames, suggest that the windows are deteriorating. Damage to the frame can compromise the integrity of the window, leading to air leaks, water intrusion, and reduced energy efficiency. Replacing damaged windows prevents further problems and protects your home from long-term damage. High energy bills can also signal that it's time for new windows. If you notice an increase in heating and cooling costs despite normal usage, it may be due to inefficient or aging windows. Energy-efficient replacement windows reduce heat transfer, minimize drafts, and improve insulation, ultimately lowering monthly utility expenses and creating a more energy-conscious home. Noise infiltration is another factor to consider. If your windows allow more outdoor noise to enter than they used to, it may indicate worn seals or outdated construction. Modern replacement windows offer enhanced noise reduction, helping create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Aging or outdated windows can also be a reason for replacement. Windows installed decades ago may not meet current standards for energy efficiency, safety, or aesthetics. Upgrading to contemporary designs provides a fresh look, modern performance, and long-term value for your home. Contemporary materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite options offer better durability and less maintenance compared to older wood or aluminum frames. Another subtle but important sign is drafts near the corners or along the edges of the glass. Even if the window opens and closes properly, small gaps at the corners can allow air to escape. Over time, these gaps can grow, reducing efficiency and comfort. Replacing the window ensures a tight seal and proper insulation. Windows that rattle during wind or storms are also a concern. Loose frames or deteriorated seals can cause windows to vibrate or rattle, which is not only annoying but also indicates reduced structural integrity. Replacement windows eliminate rattling and improve safety and energy performance. In conclusion, several signs suggest it's time for replacement windows in Rowlett, including drafts, foggy panes, difficulty operating the windows, visible damage, higher energy bills, noise infiltration, and aging construction. Recognizing these signs early allows homeowners to invest in modern, energy-efficient windows that enhance comfort, reduce utility costs, improve aesthetics, and increase home value. Timely replacement ensures that your home remains protected, efficient, and inviting for years to come.